Vaillant ecofitPure boiler. It come up F.22. That is referring to the water pressure in the central heating system is low, and it's showing 0.1 bar. We need to bring the 0.1, we need to bring it up, increase it to 1 bar or 1.5 bars, between 1 and 1.5. If the house is 2-story, ground floor and first floor, then that will be between 1 and 1.3 bars, that about. If the property is 3 stories, ground floor, first floor and second floor, then we need about 1.5 bar. This is what we are going to do. On the right side of the bottom of the boiler, we see that yellow handle, then that and that, 2 black color handles. We will turn any of them. When we turn it, we open it. And now I turn it out. Now with the other one, as I turn it, I will be hearing the sound of water, and then I will see that that pressure increases. So I want to turn it. Now I see the pressure will increase. This is a 2-story house, ground floor and first floor, so I will be looking at 1 bar, 1.2 bar. .6 and 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 1 bar. Now it disappeared. Now we don't see anymore. So I will close it. Now this one is closed. Now I will read how much pressure I have exactly, because the display don't show it anymore. So I will press this, the top right, 1 time, 2 times, then it say bar, yes, so that will be 3 times. Now I see the bars, 1.0. If I want to increase, now that I can see the pressure, if I want to increase a little bit more, I will open it again. And increase 1.1, 1.2, 1.1, 1.2. And now I close it. That one I close it. And this one is still open, so I will close it again, because we have to leave both closed. And now they are in closed position. Okay, this is how increase the pressure.